Welcome to the Biograd B2B, the most thriving business community in the nautical industry. With this online platform, we are enabling you to match and pre-schedule meetings at 3 events. Let me explain how it works. Go to our web address, https://community.bbs.com.hr, or click on the link if it's provided. On the main page, if you have an account, you can log in or create one by selecting the Sign Up button. All registered brokers will automatically be registered on the online Biograd B2B business directory. The username is the email address that you have submitted within the application form. When signing up for the first time, please fill all requested fields, accept terms and conditions, and click on the Sign Up button. Then, you will receive an email with an activation link. Click on the link to activate your account. After the activation, log in using your email as the username. Also, type in the password that you entered in the sign-up form. When you log in for the first time, please fill in your profile. Having a complete profile increases your opportunity to connect with and meet the right people. After you're done, save changes. On the next step, select relevant tags, what you offer, and what you are looking for. This will ensure the right people can find you. Save your selection. To get noticed by other attendees, fill in all the relevant information about yourself and your profile. You can edit your info by selecting the profile menu, then personal settings, and finally, the edit option. You can also edit the services your company offers or is looking for. Save changes when you are done. To showcase your company, fill in all the fields on the company information page. Select Profile menu, Company page, and the Edit option. Save changes when you are done. You will notice 3 events on the initial interface. Croatia Charter Expo for attending Croatia Charter Expo participants. Croatia Charter Expo Digital Visitor for virtual Croatia Charter Expo visitors. And Biograd Boat Show for nautical suppliers at the show. For more details, click on View All Events. If you want to meet participants registered at the Biograd Boat Show, select this event and browse the Boat Show Business Attendees Registry. You can book meetings with the Boat Show exhibitors at their stands or meet with other Biograd Boat Show visitors. At Croatia Charter Expo event, you will find all registered participants who will be physically present in Biograd. If you want to book a meeting with one of the physically present participants at the boat show, choose the event called Biograd Boat Show. To book a video meeting with a digital visitor broker, choose the event called Croatia Charter Expo Digital Visitor. Here, you can find all registered digital visitor brokers who will not be physically present in Biograd. You can arrange video meetings with them by choosing the event called Croatia Charter Expo Digital Visitor. Digital visitors brokers can arrange video meetings only with registered participants of the Croatia Charter Expo. When requesting a meeting, select Members from the top menu, then Persons. You can filter members by clicking on Show Filters and selecting the services you are offering or looking for. Select a member and then click on Request a Meeting. Request a new meeting form will appear. You can choose your event, date, time, and leave a message. Click on Send Request. To check your incoming requests, click on Agenda and then on Incoming Request. Here you can reject, reschedule, or accept a meeting. Click on Confirmed Meetings to see all accepted meetings. When the meeting is confirmed, you can send a message by clicking on the Message button. Enter the subject of conversation, text, and click Send. At the event, you can use your smartphone to check out your meetings. If you want to book a video meeting with brokers who will not be physically present in Biograd but participate virtually as digital visitors, first click Members at the top menu. Then select the event, Croatia Charter Expo Digital Visitor in the drop-down menu. The system will automatically show you a list of digital visitors. Select a person and click on Request a Meeting. When the digital visitor confirms the meeting, the system automatically generates a Zoom link for your virtual meeting. At the scheduled time, either side can initiate a video meeting by clicking on the link. We recommend to all attending participants to bring their mobile devices as well as their headphones for video meetings. Before the show's opening, be sure to check the internet connection quality, along with the video and audio settings of your mobile device, so that video meetings can take place according to the schedule. If you want to draw attention to your offer and increase your business opportunities, create opportunities within your profile by clicking on Marketplace. Then on My Opportunities. Click on Create an Opportunity. Advertise your products and offers by adding photos, video and textual content. Make sure to select the tags for supply and demand and save changes. To check opportunities, click Marketplace on the top menu and All Opportunities. You can filter opportunities by clicking on Show Advanced Filters and selecting what you are offering or looking for. Select the opportunity. Live event attendees can also reach you through your ads by clicking Request a Meeting at the top of each opportunity. Once you have filled your calendar with confirmed meetings, check your agenda by clicking Agenda at the top menu's upper right corner. Make sure to select the event name from the drop-down menu. At the upper right corner, you will see an icon for the export of the ICS document, which you can import into your digital calendar. If you are not using a digital calendar, you can simply print out a list of appointments at each event by selecting the print icon in the upper right corner. Fill your agenda with valuable business meetings now.